What is that? Bro, I can't breathe. I don't care. Okay, bro. Okay. Okay. I can't breathe.
Stop resisting.
I can't breathe, please. Can't breathe.
Okay. Give me your hand. He's resisting.
I can't breathe.
Stop resisting.
I can't breathe, please. Can't breathe.
Hey, give me your hand.
I can't breathe, please. My medicine. Please.
We gotta make
I need my medicine. I need my medicine. Please, listen. I need my medicine.
I got his upper.
Hey, where's your gun?
Stop. Okay, you can breathe just fine. What's your name, man? Gary.
There you go. There's the gun.
Here. Eric. Hey.
Quit fighting!
I'm gonna ask her.
Quit!
He's usually on like PCP or what. Hey. Stop fighting! It's okay. Do you know if he takes PCP or meth or anything?
He's not on no kind of drug. That's natural.
Does he have medical? What did he take? He had what?
Stand up! Stand up!
Whoa! No! Hey! Whoa!
Let me relieve you.
You guys can switch. Ready?
Yeah.
He was up talking. She was trying to get the IV and everything, and he just coded. And so I jumped back there, and I don't know the other answer.
He's on top.
Yeah. Well, he admitted to them he had PCP. So yeah, that's what he was saying to him. He was yelling, screaming, "I can't breathe! Open the doors! I have PCP! I got my kids! Blah 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 blah."